Metal Dollar is a next-generation stablecoin by Metal X, the digital banking network. Unlike USDC, which relies on a single company to maintain its reserves, Metal Dollar is backed by stablecoins from different issuers. This means the stability of XMD isn't tied to one entity, it's spread across several, reducing the risk of any single point of failure. Currently, Metal Dollar leverages the power of XPR Network to offer fast transactions with no gas fees and a decentralized governance model through the Metal DAO, which is represented by the MTL token, also known as XMT token on XPR Network. MTL holders participate in key decisions, ensuring adaptability and stability for the protocol. Metal Dollar isn't just a stablecoin, it's essentially the backbone of trading on Metal X. As the core trading pair on the exchange's order book, every pair is an XMD pair. This means users don't have to deal with fragmented liquidity across multiple stablecoins like USDC, USDT, or whatever. Instead, Metal Dollar streamlines trading, making the Metal X experience way more efficient and unified. So whether you're swapping assets, making payments, or sending funds across borders, XMD keeps everything simple, stable, and seamless. Minting and redeeming Metal Dollar is simple. Users can mint XMD by depositing or bridging supported stablecoins onto the XPR network via Metal X or the WebAuth wallet. The minting process all happens automatically through secure smart contracts, giving users a frictionless experience. Once minted, XMD can be used for various things, including trading on Metal X, payments via XPR checkout, and even remittances if you wanted, all while benefiting from the stability and efficiency of the Metal Dollar and XPR network. Redeeming XMD is just as straightforward. Users can exchange their XMD back into the underlying stablecoins within the basket, maintaining liquidity and flexibility. So whether you need to convert back into USDC, PayPal's USD, or USDP, the redemption process makes it super easy. Just select the amount and the stablecoin you want to redeem and authorize your transaction. By integrating Metal Dollar into the XPR network, users gain access to a fast, gas-free, and interoperable digital stablecoin that enhances financial transactions globally. To start minting or redeeming, visit metaldollar.com today and experience the future of stable, decentralized finance.